where's the competition? Bring on the competition. We need some competition. Y'all ain't no competition. Yo, where's the competition? Bring on the competition.
No matter how hard you try,
Y'all ain't no competition. It's time to ball.
the pressure,
Cause see, we about to stomp y'all from the jump.
it keeps building.
Not at all. Your team is gonna fall. Hope you learn something from it, cause we schooling all of y'all.
Until one day,
I wanna get away from it all. Nothing seems right. Take me away from these lights. Take me up high.
one day, you break. Don't let it happen, because you can go within, where thoughts stop and peace begins. Sahaja Yoga eliminates stressful thinking.
A meditation technique that focuses on the experience of mental silence, in this case a technique called Sahaja Yoga, significantly reduced stress and depressive feelings.
Now Sahaj Yoga is working 86 countries. They are all full of joy. Because with this happening, you get joy of a quality which has no double. It's not happiness and happiness. It's just joy. And you have another thing also with it, is the peace of mind.
Try Sahaja Yoga now. Explore our free online workshops.